Hello.
Sit bars, Baba.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Can come.
Yeah, I'm not saying going by.
All right. So what that be? Network
Let's
yẹn
talk me,
small
Abi.
back. So mo fẹ́ break a string yẹn down so that we
All
can
right, sir.
know. Hmm?
All right, sir.
So we can know.
Me ò
All
mi ò
right.
rí
I
mi
want
ò rí
to
screen mi ò rí
share
screen yín o.
screen. I'm just starting to share.
All right, sir.
All right. Ibi tá a wà ní, right?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, sir.
So when I go here, all right. So I'm breaking the strings down to many parts. You see, this is a string. This is another one. This is another one, right?
Okay. Yes, sir. Another one. This see what about this array is you can see together. Okay. Sir? Mo ń gbọ́ yín báyìí sìn.
Okay.
Ẹ ti record
All
àbí?
right. So mo ti record. Ṣé kò show rec? Kò show recording.
Okay, ó dà kó ti record.
Okay. So A yìí la fẹ́ yọ kúrò nsìn, right? The entire string here.
Okay.
A fẹ́ fi variable sí.
Okay.
Don't make sense.
Yeah, I'm with you, sir. Variable one, then the second,
So C yìí nsìn la fẹ́ yọ kúrò.
yeah. I fẹ́ fi aggregate sí.
Thank you. So the same will happen. So what
To
do
the
we do?
rest.
We want the same to happen everywhere.
We copy am.
Multi-tech control. You see this one is blinking, this one is blinking, right? And
Yeah.
do the same for this one. But kò ní jẹ́ sọ́ọ̀mù mọ́ o ṣe mọ̀.
Yeah, I understand. I change it.
The only I get the subtraction. Only I get the multiplication.
Ṣé programming you understand the multiplication there?
No. To you want no string.
Okay.
String is you just want to print as it is.
Okay.
Are you getting it? So
Yes, sir.
we divide. Nǹkan tí programming understand ní variables. Yẹn la dẹ̀ ti fi
Alright.
var ṣe.
A ti ṣe yẹn. Okay.
Anytime tá bá fẹ́ pè é kò ní ìdí ká fi sínú tá bá lọ fi sínú double quote ó máa print the first norm bó ṣe wà ní.
Alright.
Sum nìyẹn, but inú divide láti yọ yìí.
Àti
So
yọ.
I click on divide. The divide of first norm and 7 is this.
Okay.
So first norm kọ́ la fẹ́, the variable, the value inside the first norm la need. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ tún rí pé kò sí space láàrin b àti 7.
Yes, okay. Yeah.
Torí ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe wá fi space sí.
Torí s ló wà ń bẹ, ó dà kí mistake ni.
Is is ló wà ń bẹ, so gbogbo b gbọ́dọ̀ fún ní space.
Okay.
So tó bá yẹ pé ẹ mọ̀ nípa programming lẹ bá rí gbogbo kinní ẹ máa ń ló le tó yìí. You get
ó mà dàbí horror film ni.
In the actual sense, this is what it is.
Burú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ayé. Wow. Yeah. But on the norms, this ó ti wà ní bootstrapped.
No, JavaScript là ń ṣe. It's in bootstrap. This is programming. Programming, that's why there is a programmer. Programming is you doing it the way you want the computer to see it.
All right.
Are you getting it? So this one is nothing bootstrap. Whether you use bootstrap or not, you write JavaScript.
All right. Ìkan tí mo fi ń béèrè ni pé ṣé mo pé nínú bootstrap yẹn a lọ copy JavaScript àti CSS.
No. JavaScript for design, CSS for design.
Okay, òun la copy yẹn.
So nobody has the entire library in his hand.
Okay, just for the layout.
So design library la copy. The actual coding itself is done by the programmer. So rather than the programmer saying this one should be red, this one should be this, the programmer will just call the class, right? So that the programmer will concentrate on the logic.
Okay. Instead of tó máa waste time lórí à ń ṣe layout, à ń ṣe kíní. Okay, I have to boycott yẹn then and face this one gonna go all right. Burú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, okay. Jarete ni báyìí ó ti yé mi. Ó lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
So you can see basically what it is. So mo fẹ́ lọ create, maybe I shouldn't create, ká tún lò sàlẹ̀ page, ká tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní break it down again. You see how to define a function?
Yes, sir.
That is now nígbà tí mo sọ pé kó jẹ́ on click. The next thing you should ask me is, what if I don't want on click? I can say on double click. Can you see it?
Okay.
On double click, that is anything about more click. Irú tí máa fẹ́ ṣe security system. Máa fẹ́ kéèyàn login, mo máa fi double click sí. Ẹni á kàn click lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ á rò pé kò ṣiṣẹ́. No. Àwa ti máa sọ fún àwọn tó ní system kankan pé double click ní kẹ́lẹ́.
Double click. Right.
Èwo ni mo tún lè ṣe on mouse over.
What's that mouse over?
Tẹ́ bá kàn gbé mouse gbórí ẹ̀ kó compute.
Wow.
Have you seen it?
Okay. But that one ìyẹn o, as in security yẹn o kò powerful tó nìyẹn.
No. There are places we use it.
All right.
There are places we use it. Irú tẹ́ bá over lórí button tí mo fẹ́ kó change, ẹ jẹ́ kí n fún yín ní instance kan. Mouse over la fi code kíní, so that mouse bá gborí ẹ̀ kọjá.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right. So
All right.
I'm just telling you there are we call them events.
All right.
So
All right.
let me look for a page for you to read event driven programming. Invite it in here. Okay, this should fine. Ọtún bojú wa jẹ́ ẹ̀ ìyá rẹ̀. Slow down to continue. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn olóyè.
Ẹ ti fẹ́ lọ sí àwọn amáká àwọn olùṣe.
Ohun tẹ bá dẹ̀ ti rí bẹ̀ ni kẹ́ ẹ faramọ́.
Àwọn olùṣe.
Àbẹ̀rẹ̀ eléyìí tó ń pè mí ní big head mo dẹ̀ ń dá lóhùn padà.
Ẹ̀yin kan lẹ́tún gbójú mi lọ síbẹ̀ bí tí nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ibẹ̀ lèmi ń wò.
Sọ́dà tó ń tẹ bá rò pé ẹ rí kí tó lè fi hàn yín dáadáa.
Lórí orí gangan kódà kan ọlọ́run mi ò tiẹ̀ rí.
Ẹ̀rí tó ti ṣe dágídágí bí. Ẹ̀rí response mi.
Àbí o.
Ṣé kí ni o fẹ́ gbà nù kí n fún òun lówó?
Hello sir.
Mo ní kí ni mo fẹ́ gbà nù kí n fún òun lówó?
Ó sú mi o léyìí tá à ń sọ yìí.
Àwọn igi dá ẹyẹ fò.
Àwọn dàbí.
Bàbá ń jídá ìyá ẹyẹ fò.
Àwọn ọmọ sọnù ìyá ògbọ́nlé.
So mi ò ló máa sọ bàbá mi jáde.
All right. Sorry.
So there are several events why. So ẹ̀yin lè máa sọ pé what are the events in JavaScript? Ó yẹ kó wà ní W3 schools. JavaScript events. You see? Click.
Okay. Click now.
Ẹ wá rí àwọn míì on change.
Okay, on change, on mouse over, on mouse
out,
on key down, on load.
Yes, so several of them.
All right. The basic of this thing náà ni pé kéèyàn understand language yẹn kò ṣe pé èèyàn lè crank gbogbo ẹ̀ náà sórí but téèyàn bá rí kéèyàn mọ̀ pé òkè iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe lélẹ̀.
Tó bá mọ̀ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe.
Yes.
Wàá lọ wá pé okay, I want so that kí nǹkan kan happen.
Ó rí báyìí.
Tó bá move mouse lórí ẹ̀. Kí nǹkan kan máa happen tí wọ́n bá ṣe kinní kan, you know that kind of thing. I can do massive stuff with events. I can do a whole lot with events. So I want to okay. I want to create a new place and call it Control-A-C-N-P-S pure script. Let me just call it pure script. HTML. Okay. Mo fẹ́ yọ gbogbo ẹ̀ kúrò pátápátá. Alright. Everything in body should go away.
That's neat.
Exactly. And I call it Javascript. Ṣé and grab there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This thing will help you. W3 schools will help you a lot. So let's create a div and call it JavaScript. Let's just call it
That is
JVS.
okay, ID.
Anything we want. Yes. Let's first make sure it works. Document dot get element by ID JVS
X.
dot nígbà tí kì í ṣe text area tí ìdẹ̀ ń ṣe input inner HTML la máa lò.
Okay.
Tó bá jẹ́ input àwọn nǹkan kan yẹn value la máa lò. So we are here and then it works.
Chicken now.
Yes. Kí la pè ní pure script. All right, can you see it? Maybe
Okay.
we should give it something big. Style, we can give it font size 30 pixels. All right, we are here and it works. Okay. So let's begin to do some good stuff. Var surname is equal to
Ó pọ̀.
Single A.
Kò sí single A ni o, bí o tiẹ̀ ń lo gan, mo ń lo mọ́. Olúwatósìn, yes.
So we'll call this one.
That reminds me, sir. Okay, Sabia later. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to record. Be later.
No, could matter.
All right. Money.
Personal stuff, yes.
No, kò tẹ́ ṣe concerning ibi tẹ ní tẹ fẹ́ rán mi lọ yẹn ni mo ní ṣó warrant kìíní because mi ò ní valid ID card for now. Ó warrant àbí? Okay, I'll work on that. I'll try to get kìíní mi yẹn kí wọ́n korúkọ ẹ̀. NIN, I get it. So.
Okay, I'll get it. Chinese Zenith account.
No, GTB nìkan náà ni mo lò. Pẹ̀lú access yẹn mi ti access it for a long time.
Don't worry, we'll be fine.
All right, sir.
So let me do something. Right, and put this one here. I cut it. I put it down here, and I say, let me just give it anything. Let's just put your name there. Your surname.
Okay.
Save it there. Can you see? I want to add something else. First name. You see, what can you observe?
There's no space.
Did we tell it to put space?
No, sir.
So we'll now tell it that
column.
In between, no, column. Okay. In between,
okay.
No, add space.
Okay.
So variable plus space plus first name.
Okay.
And I want to put something else plus space plus middle name.
Why is it that first name having that 2 plus?
No. Look at what we did. Surname add
Yes, plus.
space. That's what this one is.
Okay. Okay. That
After
plus.
that,
Okay.
add first name, add this. That plus has to do with the next variable or string.
This one I'm asking this thing is that
So it is
Sherry, the surname. She understand only plus ẹyọ kan.
carry. Mm.
Yes. Fame yẹn mo
No.
believe pé that
Everyone,
first
everyone ló ní
plus.
plus ẹyọ kan. Everyone ló ní plus ẹyọ kan.
All right.
Look at this.
But that first name is having two now.
Cut,
One at the front. Okay.
right?
Yes.
No.
All
Logic
right.
ni.
All right,
Add
sir. Okay.
add space,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Is it
Torí pé a ò lè rí, we won't see the impact.
okay?
We won't see the impact.
Okay, is a command. Is a command.
Until we add.
Okay.
Anything
Space.
plus is for concatenation. Concatenation.
Okay.
So
That's there. Eh?
now add. You see that kò kìí ṣe pé bí a kàn mọ́mọ́ fún ní 2 plus. It is just logic. Àkọ́kọ́ add eléyìí. Add eléyìí. It's just like saying, look at this. It's just like saying 2 plus 2 plus 2.
2.
Eh?
Okay.
Àwa ní
Yes.
y tí eléyìí ní 2 plus. Kò dẹ̀ ní 2 plus, but something is in between.
All right.
That is what we have here.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Mo ti understand. Yes, I understand. I
each
think.
one is a string on its own.
Okay. Then.
So let's add something just before it so that you know that kì í ṣe òun ló ní. Let's add a string. My name
To understand.
is. You get it now?
Yes, sir.
So we call that bá ṣe ní chord substitution la ní variable substitution.
All right.
So my name is Odegbiwa concatenated. What if tí n bá fẹ́ kí everything kó jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ fún òun náà sínú variable kí n pè ní var everything, right? Tí n bá save ẹ̀ báyìí kò ní yọ anything because a ní kó ṣe anything.
Then.
A dẹ̀ lè ní pé kó alert wa instead.
Okay. O máa gbé wá sí. Yeah.
So me like alert for now. So I'll say document dot get element by ID
JVS
dot inner HTML
is
equal to what?
Surname plus. No. It's equal to everything, sir.
Oh, very
Yeah.
good, very good.
Yeah.
So I can now add something to everything. I can just say.
Wàá ti máa gbọ́. Ó pọ̀ létí.
Ó pọ̀ létí o, ó tún wúwo lọ́wọ́.
Wàá ti máa gbọ́. Wàá ti máa gbọ́.
So, have you gained something in JavaScript today?
Like much, sir. More very as in much.
You must pay attention to details because we are now going into programming.
All right, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's talk about data type. This one will require that you write, not coding.
Okay. Ẹ ti wà ní subline. No, Jen. Àìná wa ti bàjẹ́ láti ó ti ń wọ bí ọjọ́ márùn-ún sí tàti nínú ọgbẹ̀.
Ẹ ti máa gbọ́.
A ti ń gbọ́ gidi gan. Ó ti ń pọ̀lẹ̀, etí gan ti wúwo. Ẹ̀hàn ṣẹlẹ̀ lómi tó bá ti view tutorial wa yìí á ti rẹ́rìn kú pé kíláàsì wo làwọn lè ṣe.
Kíláàsì wo làwọn lè ṣe àwọn lè serious jà. Ohun tóun náà wá sí orí channel wa á sọ.
And that's the best way to learn. Burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀.
Data types are description or declaration of the kinds of data which are acceptable for a string. I mean, for a variable. That's the layman way of describing data. They are description or declaration of the kind of data which are acceptable for a variable. For instance, to declare age variable, it is unwise to use decimal, float. Decimal is the same as float.
Okay.
Decimal or float data type. Can you give me why?
I'm lost this. Is this? I don't know the float. I don't understand, sir.
No. See, because age cannot have decimal. It is a whole number that is integer. So if I want to create variable now, I cannot say var int. I mean var double age. Okay, I cannot say double. I cannot declare double age equals. I cannot say declare a variable called age and let that data type be double, because age is always a whole number, and so this will be what? Int. So data types are there to enforce the kind of data that goes into a variable. Is that okay?
All right.
If I want to declare CGPA, let me tell you, let me say some data types. Number one, I say integer. Number two, I say float or
decimal.
Double. Or double.
Okay.
It is very end. So same kini le máa lò. Same link le máa lò tí kini bá end. So
Okay. Tí màá fi download ẹ̀ àbí?
No. Tẹ́ máa fi join meeting again tó bá end.
Okay.
Float, double, string,
number,
boolean. Mo tún wò mí tó wà ní o. Okay, let's make do with this. String is the same thing as what we call character, right?
all right.
Example of integer, any variable that I declare to declare as int, we only take whole number 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
We call it from minus infinity to plus infinity.
That's
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, any whole number.
All right, sir.
Eléyìí ló máa ń ní.
Sir, ẹ má bínú. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Say it.
Yeah. Bí ẹ ṣe fún náà l'example, ẹ ṣe bracket example ẹ̀.
Mo fẹ́ measure weight tàbí height.
Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ okay. Like in numbers, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kọ́kọ́ ń kọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ní brackets tẹ́lẹ̀ ló ṣe ní kẹ́ ṣe rẹ̀. So that in case my reference video later.
All right, so tẹ́ bá fẹ́ measure weight èèyàn, height èèyàn, it cannot be whole number.
Yes.
String is always in single or double quotes. Ṣọlá, Fẹ́mi, Àánú. Ó tẹ̀ dá tábà tí máa sọ pé àánú àti mọ ta ló ní èwo ní méjèèjì.
Who is who? Burúkú ọmọ
So Boolean is always true or anything in life tí ó bá ti jẹ́ two-phase value.
Yes or no?
On or what?
Or off. Yes or no? Good or bad? Good or bad?
Yeah. One
right or wrong? Right? Zero. Up or down?
What do you do for that? You say Boolean.
All right.
So nígbà tá type value 100 sínú first kìíní lẹ́ẹ̀kan tá type 20 tá wá ní kó ṣe 100 plus 20. Kò rí 100 as number, ó rí
as string.
Ẹ dẹ̀ rántí pé gbà tá ṣe string ó kàn kó méjèèjì papọ̀ níbi tá ṣe surname àti middle name. And that will be equal to
10, 20, 120 rather.
So tó bá ti jẹ́ pé ó rí as string, we first need to convert it to number. Either this
or this.
Before we can perform arithmetic operation, the first two data types are required mostly, let me do mostly, when arithmetic operations into brackets plus operations are to be performed on the data.
The first two are used for calculations.
Yes.
All right, sir.
That is for calculations. The third, strings are for characters that are to respond to string manipulations. Ṣàpá àti sọ nǹkan tí int àti double ra nǹkan tó lè ṣe plus
Yes, sir.
minus this that. Kí ni àwọn nǹkan mìíràn rò pé float lè ṣe? A lè round it up to a significant figure. A lè round it down. A lè ṣe anything that number can do. Right?
Yes, sir.
So strings are for characters that are to respond to string manipulations such as capitalize. So this capitalize is to say, let me put it like this.
Okay.
Capitalize.
All right. So yeah, then.
So if you think about a small letter, we can turn it to capital, right?
Capital, yes, sir.
Just as this one, if I want to change your surname, I want to change it to, you see, all this is equal to that. We don't call it is equal to in programming.
Okay.
We call it assign.
Okay.
Assignment in a one equal to. So we are saying create a variable, right? Call it s name and assign this value to it.
But can it be called declaration as well?
What we did here is declaration.
All right. Okay. Because I'm
This
come
is
across
assignment.
Assignment. Okay. All right, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So we should have called it float. Double or anything.
Okay.
But var is there to take the first value you assign to it will be the data type.
All right. Okay. All right.
String
declare. All right.
So var is a universal declaration.
All right.
So níbi mo wá fẹ́ sọ wípé assign into s name, the value of s name before is this.
Yes.
But the new value now is I want to give it another value to lowercase.
Vowel. Kò ní declaration àbí?
Mo ti var ẹ̀ bí
Okay. All right.
Tí máa pe orúkọ yẹn sí, ó mọ ibi tó ń lọ.
All right.
I am just saying that same orúkọ should change to uppercase and then store it back in s name.
All right.
Look at it. In programming, tí single equal to bá ti wà báyìí, operation will come from the right and it will fall in the left. So
right.
operation is this, assign it to this. But this has been declared with what? With var. All right, so
can you see? Makes sense.